Hey foodies, thanks for watching. I want to show you how to make spicy jalapeno and cheddar muffins. I can't wait to share this recipe with you. And you just want to cut them into little rounds onto my skillet. Look at how nice. I'm gonna go right in there. Let's mix in our cheese, my yogurt in. Oh yeah, look at that. I've got some baking powder and some gluten-free all-purpose flour. Make our batter. Scrape that all in there. Whoo-wee! Oh, look at that. Oh yeah. These smell so good. Oh my goodness, they smell so good. They took 18 minutes in my oven. These ones looked a little on the raw side. These ones looked a little on the overdone side, so I just flipped it around anyway. Oh, let's take one and just, oh, you can smell the cheese, definitely. Oh, look at that. Look at that muffin. Oh, that looks great. Oh, it smells so good. Oh, and it's perfectly baked on the inside.